Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to install Xtron HD705C on Chevrolet Orlando. So what comes inside the box are just a pair of Xtron DVD headrest, gamepad, remote control, plastic to adjust your DVD headrest, AV cable, connection for cigarette lighter, and DVD games. We have these metal also which go inside the headrest. So this is my car and I'm going to install them in the middle seat so people who sit at the back can watch. My previous video I put them on the front seats and people who sit in the middle could watch. You can see I tied up all the wires, nothing is visible. So let's start. So if you watch my previous video you can see them there on the front seats and middle passengers can watch them. But for this video we are going to continue and install them from the back. Right, now we are going to remove this headrest and we are going to slide this seat down. We are going to install the Xtron one. So the next step is just to remove this from here. So to make things easy, I have got a screwdriver which I can just do this. And now this is out, I can get access inside with a zip. You can see this is the zip and just go around with it. You need also to unzip the other side, and after that you need to remove the ISO device in the middle for you to remove the cover. Once this one is removed, it's easy, you can just slide it. Because it's difficult to get the cable, so the idea is to remove this pin here which hold this. Once we have removed these, we can remove this headboard which is on top, and then we can have access to the cable. So it's out. Now this is underneath and you can see that we have access to our cable, which is this one. So this is how I measure to know that this iron bar will fit. I've taken the old one and I have put it inside here, and I could adjust it a little bit and I know that they will fit. Just to adjust tiny bit. Now it's time to connect this and put them inside, and don't forget to adjust this to your size. Right, so I'm going to put another one here. Then I can adjust the seat. So now I'm going to insert the new DVD inside here. Once this is all inside, I'm gonna work out how I can get the cable from inside there. Now this is underneath and you can see that we have access to our cable, which is this one. So the next step is to connect this one. And try to stick it inside somewhere here as far as we can. And then it is time again to put this one back, but remember this, to put them on top, turn them around like this, and then just put this and try to look for them if they might be underneath here. You have to put them back. Now it's just to reverse what you have done before and start zipping it around. So at this side as well, which is the nutty side. So for this side we have finished. We can also see our DVD is nice and clean. So the next step I'm gonna work is to remove this and go around it to remove the zip as I did for the other one. Right, so I just want you to show something. You see this too? You can see there's extra here, 12 volt and GND. If you can find 12 volt and ground, then you won't need to use the secret lighter. So you won't need to use this as a secret lighter because this one also connect here. So if you cannot find that 12 volt close to where you put your DVD, then you can use this to connect to the secret lighter. Since there's no wiring connection, it's simple, just plug and play, and there you go. Volvamos a las noticias serias. Un prototipo, el reactor Xtrons, entrará hoy en funcionamiento. Esta central eléctrica experimental generará más energía que... ¡Basta ya! So you can see from here that everything is fixed, working, and it is clean. I've tried my best to tidy up all the wires underneath, and I've got a clean DVD's headrest. You can see no wire is visible. So hope guys this video helps you, and if you've got any question, please put the comment down, subscribe and like, and also watch more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.